Okay, so here is this is okay, so here I've got another question, and I wasn't expecting this question, but this is interesting because um has living sa ilek mo na sumasaga hagid sa Tokyo, has
Yeah.
living in Tokyo or in Japan, has it influenced your writing? Did it influence kind of, is there a way that it opened up your philosophy, your writing, your poetry, especially in this book? And I think what the person is getting at in this comment though is that, sometimes when, we're here in when you're here in your home, right? I mean, I'm thinking about, my favorite one of my favorite books, Dune, right?
Mm.
The father tells the son, the Duke tells the son, there's something in us that sleeps, it must awaken, the sleeper must awaken, right? And you have to travel, you have to go out into the world, you have to experience things to see even your home in a different light.
Mm.
And so I think what the person is wondering is, has living in Japan, did it change your perception?